So I do practically no buying and selling horses. That's really a world that I don't care to get involved in. But this horse is a horse that I had in training maybe a year and a half ago. This is Churro, and the owner needed to find him a new home, so I bought this horse. I'm gonna ride him, I'll make some videos, and then I'll putting him up for sale. His name is Churro. He's somewhere around 6 or 7 years old. He's not registered. Quarter horse type. And when I had him before, he rode really good, really broke. I'll be doing some videos so you can see exactly just what he's doing. And he was a little bit heavy on his front end. I worked on body control and ended up pretty nice and went home. What the situation is now is the owners that had him do large trail rides, and he's not handling the groups of large horses very good. I know when I had him before, I was working him for some cow work, versatility ranch stuff, that kind of thing, and he really excelled, does really good. He's probably going to need to be more of an arena kind of horse than a trail riding horse. Let me pick up his feet before we stop. So let's see what he's like with his feet. He could use a few pounds in a certain places. I wouldn't say that he's underweight, but he's a little bit under muscled. He has nice muscle right here, a little bit weak right here at this and along his back. So it's not so much that he needs weight as that he needs some muscle. Back here is pretty nice. Has nice hips, nice shoulders. Has a little bit of a grass belly. Heavy back foot. Now let's go do the other side. Take a step up. His feet are in pretty good shape. He has been trimmed and maintained regularly. He's had regular care. That's one of the reasons why I didn't mind getting involved with him, because I know the horse. Known the horse for a good while from when I've had him before. He's good with his feet. He was pretty nice overall when I had him before, but I'll work him and we'll see if we can find any holes anywhere, and I'll show you what they are. So this is Churro. I'll make a playlist up top if you're watching on YouTube. Facebook doesn't let me do that, but if you're watching on YouTube, we'll have a playlist up here, and I'll show you more videos of him. Until next time, thank you for watching.